There is something timeless and versatile about wooden furniture. While there are many varieties of furniture material available, wooden furniture still tops the list for most buyers. Wood has historically been the choice material for crafting furniture. You can often find wooden furniture in all types of designs and looks that will be sure to suit your style and match your needs. There are several wood finish types to choose from. With high-quality wood paints you can glorify the look of the wood pieces and shield it from cracks, swelling, and stains. There are also clear coat finishes which will keep the beauty of wood for years without damage. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you another collection of wood furniture and wood decorative pieces ideas for your interior design and home decor. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post wood-made furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on daily basis. So, if you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also don't forget to like and share this video as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. You can make various types of wood furniture and wooden decorative pieces for several spots throughout your home or office. Whether they are intricately carved or are just a plain panel of wood, the style of wooden furniture, however old, is here to stay. The beauty of wood can uplift the mood and ambience of the entire room. Wooden furniture offers elegance, charm and sophistication to any space, and that's why you can even make it as the focal point of your room. Wood furniture is suitable for all areas in your house. Not only is wood a great material for creating conventional furniture like beds, cabinets, tables, chairs, etc., they can also be used for modeling unconventional and artistic pieces such as wall coverings, picture frames, bookshelves, coffee tables, nightstands, laptop tables, etc. There is no limit as to where to use these wooden furniture and wooden decorative pieces. You can let your imagination run wild when it comes to placing wooden furniture in any part of your home or office. You can also experiment and play with various color tones of wood paints to give all pieces of furniture a distinctive and stylized look. If you are an environmentally conscious person, it is better for you to use wooden furniture instead of metal or plastic ones. If you want to do your bit for the environment, then buying wooden furniture is the way to go. It can be reused and recycled too, which means you can fashion outstanding furniture from old, reclaimed wood pieces too. These wooden pieces in fact, can look very dramatic because of their distressed look, hence adding to the beauty of the piece. You can even choose to coat them with a water-based wood paint, if you want to opt for another eco-friendly measure. They have very low odor and toxicity, so they're safe not only for nature but also for children and the elderly. Unlike many other furniture materials, wooden furniture can look good in almost any kind of setting. It can be a part of any interior design scheme. You can give them any shape and form. Another unique thing about wooden furniture is that it can be modified over a period of years, by painting it with a wood finish that can breathe new life into it. With clear or colored wood paints that have high gloss retention level, you can give a complete makeover to your furniture. Wood is also known to withstand damage. A very obvious advantage of having wooden furniture is that it is extremely durable and strong. Although the strength characteristics varies from wood to wood, in general wood is durable and strong. If you need high strength, you should go for wood types known for their strength such as teak wood. If maintained well, kept away from direct source of sunlight or moisture, the wood of the furniture will last longer and not even look aged. A good way to make sure that it looks as good as new is to use wood polish or finishing it with a polyurethane wood coating which has the strongest film that protects it from scratches, stains and heat. Well, there you have them. Our hand-picked wood furniture and wood decorative pieces ideas for your interior design and home decor. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.